खत्म हो गया ना?
Geography.
Sit down, sit down. Relax first.
Climate change.
Relax, sit down. It is not the question of geography because I completed that chapter that day only. Correct? And I will be starting on drainage.
Done.
Drainage done the next chapter then.
Sir, climate चालू कर दिया ना.
So take out and put the heading. Hello. We have my lectures now. So we have to continue with that drainage, or the next chapter is natural vegetation.
Climate. Sir, climate is started.
Okay, we start.
I know.
With that climate, did I give you introduction?
Yes.
We had gone that 4 seasons also.
Yeah.
Correct? I had given you what is the reason why Indian climate is known by the name, Anna? Yes. Quickly take out your notebook.
Sir, I forgot.
Now I have to forget.
No, I'll write it in here only.
No, get this one. What do you call it?
Sir, no need. Sir, it's better to write it in here. With जब learn होता है तभी साथ
You have to just get up. Tell him you need supplements. He is giving it.
Not because I have to get up, but sir, इसमें better होता है. जैसे वो मैंने
No, not I will not allow. Jai. Not because I get up. What is this point of arguing with me? Come to page number 200. There is actually 200 and 201. It is the onset of monsoon and withdrawal. Did you see that? So actually, if you remember, I said these.
Sir, we did not do the monsoon type of climate.
I'd given the answer now. Why it is known as monsoon type? I was explaining.
So it starts from precipitation.
Arrival and departure of monsoon. I'm explaining now. Then while giving notes, I'll continue. Okay. So look here. When the word onset means, just understand this. We call it, this is arrival. So if you see the map of India, okay, we'll say Arabian Sea here, or here, and Indian Ocean here. Okay, let me put you that. Just carefully understand what is we are going to see. So we have something called as high pressure and low temperature. Correct? And high temperature and low pressure. So there is two things which we have to understand. A big zone which sits inside India, which we call it as ITCZ. It is nothing but intertropical climatic zone. Come on, repeat everyone.
Intertropical climatic zone.
If they ask you what is it? A zone of high temperature and low pressure. Always remember this two equation, opposite relation. And what did I write? High pressure, low temperature. This is which zone? This is Indian Ocean. Are you seeing? And this is central part of India, mostly this part. So now the wind starts moving from where to where? High pressure to low pressure. Is it correct? Always? When the winds are starting moving, we call these as trade winds or northeast trade winds. So I'll say northeast trade winds. Why they are called as trade winds? That I'll tell you later. But now then when they are moving over Indian Ocean, they are picking a lot of what? Moisture. Correct? And they enter India into two directions. One is from Arabian Sea branch and other is through Bay of Bengal branch. Are you getting it? Either from this branch or from this branch, they pick more moisture and they are heading towards the India. And then we have this great mountain wall. What do we call them as? Himalayas. And by these time, these winds and go and strike Himalayas. Himalayas obstruct them to flow out of India. Correct? And they will ask the winds to subside. And then the process of, here I say process of what? Evaporation. You know what is evaporation?
Yes.
And here the process of condensation. Condensation will मालूम है ना? उसका opposite. Then the wind starts becoming into clouds. Which clouds? Rain-bearing clouds. And then entire India gets rainfall in the month of July, first week or second week. The entire India gets rainfall. The two parts of India is the first. One is, this is Kerala. And here we have Andaman and Nicobar. The day when Kerala gets proper shower, not pre-monsoon. You understand what is pre-monsoon? Then whole India is calculated. But which two parts get first rain? Come on, everyone. So this is the paragraph that we are going to read and write for onset of monsoon. Or what is the other word for onset? Arrival of monsoon. Every year monsoon starts like this only. There is something called El Nino and La Nino effect. वो मैं बाद में बताता हूँ. El Nino and La Nino is from Mediterranean Sea to India. Okay. And then we call the first shower in Kerala as mango shower. How do we, or why do we? Come on. Kerala has lots of mango trees during these times, and this first shower, that is pre-monsoon shower, helps in ripening of that mangoes. You understand the meaning of the word ripening? That is why they are known as which showers? Mango showers. So did I start with the month of May, second week or last week, where these winds pick up? When the winds pick up, and if this ITCZ sets late, this movement will also be late. If it sets up early, this movement. So which is the prime reason for setting up of the monsoon? Come on, everyone. ITCZ. Full form?
Intertropical climate zone.
What is it if they call? It is a zone of high temperature and low pressure. So put the heading onset of monsoon. ये graph बना. या मैं दोबारा बनाऊं इसी को? चलो. I am leaving it as it is. Put the heading as onset of monsoon. Seasons of India. The first season we have to write. It is onset of monsoon. Okay. And be very careful. Come along with me, so it becomes easy. Done?
You have to draw that or the left.
No. Now I'm redrawing the same for you because it becomes messy, is it? And then use a pencil only, Central India and try to show lighter shades. And then write ITCZ and write the full form then and there. What does ITCZ means?
Intertropical.
Right there. And show the Himalayas as well, huh? Because Himalayas are important, right? And write Himalayas. Himalayas.
Sir,
This one only, right one. Leave it and try to show Kerala.
we made the lines.
हाँ वही तो main है. This girls always ask. IT season is main. Why did I draw so lightly for you guys? Then you show this monsoon winds entering from both the sides. And right, these are northeast trade winds. Right, any trade winds, northeast trade winds. And two branch of monsoon, Arabian Sea branch of monsoon and Bob branch of monsoon. And then you can see these are striking Himalayas and show some drops of water. And then show Andaman and Nicobar. Just a minute. And right, June second week. Similarly, here also you write June second week. And here you can write May last week. It depends on that El Nino effect. Yes.
Sir, why are they more northeast?
Sir, what
They
is
come from south winds.
Winds, what is that?
Northeast में जा रहे हैं ना कहीं.
नहीं. मैं बता. Everyone have drawn?
No.
Draw it.
Sir,
हाँ.
what is written about winds?
Which winds, my dear?
That,
Yes.
this-
May last week. ITCZ sets in the last week of
No,
May.
sir, not there.
June
Andaman
first week.
Nicobar.
Andaman के ऊपर northeast trade winds.
Okay.
These are northeast trade winds. Trade winds. Oh, don't think too much. What is it?
I thought Andaman Nicobar is also
No. So I'll erase this part. Two Andamans she is finding. Because she is looking at from a different corner of the eyes. One Andaman on the right and one on अभी एक ही अंडमान है हाँ केरला के बाजू में एरो डाल के लिखना मैंगो शार्स The first rainfall what Kerala gets is known as mango showers. Anybody heard something called a strawberry showers? नहीं
So mango shower is Rajasthan use है.
यही तो नहीं है ना क्लाइमेट में बहुत सारा चीज है. Now just everyone listen for 2 minutes. Why this is called as first northeast, second it is called as trade winds. India is located on which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere. And it is towards the eastern side. Not refer to India. It is referred to the globe. And trade winds का क्या meaning है? In those days, these Arabs. You know who are these Arabs? Who are these? Correct. That बांध के वो कारवान में आता था हल्ला बेबी करके, है ना? And they used to come all the way from this Persia, जो अभी का Gulf है या Abu Dhabi जो भी पकड़ो. And they used to come into India for getting the spices. And in those days, the ships used to sail using the wind, is it? Diesel engine था? नहीं था ना? So this is the time they knew that this winds will flow towards India. तो वो बड़े बड़े ships लेके यही टाइम पर इंडिया में आते थे, ट्रेड करने आते थे. That is why these winds have got the names.
Northeast wind.
Clear? There were doldrums, there were many other winds. अभी आएगा आपको ना अच्छा ICC में वो आपको नहीं. But then this wind is very important. फिर एक El Nino करके एक पैराग्राफ आएगा. देखो there is one paragraph on 200. This is the name given to the periodic development of warm ocean current along the coast of Peru. Okay, where is this Peru? Wait. She has found out somewhere near Nerul, is it?
No.
Then outside Nerul. South America.
Yeah,
हाँ, And Peru is a very popular for soccer. I think these guys might have watching. Peru है, Uruguay है, Paraguay है. ये पेरू से जो क्या होता है? There is this Mediterranean effect. What is that Mediterranean? Same high pressure and low pressure. El Nino will bring rain showers. La Nino will take away the rain shower. But then before the rainfall, which effect is affecting Indian monsoon? Al Nino. Al Nino. कोई तो सिंगर है साउथ अमेरिकन तरह के बड़े-बड़े कुछ नाम रखते हैं. Al Nino, Al Pacino, Gisto Palio. हाँ, अरे वैसे ही नाम भी तो उनका है. You don't know? Alexander, Siu, Rio, ऐसा रहेगा. बीच में नाम गायब रहता है उनका. तो ये भी एक Al Nino. There was a singer, popular singer. You don't know? I'll show you. So now this onset is very clear. Anybody have any shadow of a doubt for onset? Now anybody can put this into lines. Nobody. How beautifully I have explained twice.
Lines.
Lines through the paragraphs. It is the second week of May. Hot and humid season all over India. Just listen to the story. Due to this hot humid condition in central India, a separate zone called what sets up? He's setting up. ITCZ. Come on, repeat the full form. Okay. At the same time, over Indian Ocean, it is the reverse. Reverse what? Low temperature and high pressure develops. Second point. Due to the high pressure in Indian Ocean, this winds starts moving from Indian Ocean through Arabian Sea and bob it enters India. Third point. Since these winds carry a lot of moisture from Indian Ocean, they pick up additional moisture from both Arabian Sea and bob and move towards Himalayas. Fourth point. Now then Himalayas become a climatic divide. It obstructs the winds and starts the process of condensation. It is the first week of June. The major parts of Kerala gets the showers, which is known as mango shower, and this is the beginning of monsoon in India. समझ में आया? चलो, let's take the reading. She's reading page number, or I will read. It is 201. Okay. You want to? The monsoon, unlike the trades, are not underlined. Steady winds. How energetically and how emphatically I am reading. I hope you also read the same. But are pulsating in nature. What is this word pulsating? Giving a thumb. What kind of thumb? Abhi aayega, hai na? What is that? Affected by different underlying atmospheric conditions. Different, either a condition is or either a condition. Okay?
So, एक doubt था. Sir, in the volume is written only for references. Is this in the NCERT?
No, it is not. That is not it.
So, is
No need to write. No need to write. But I will give you the answer.
Is this coming in exam?
Answer तो आएगा ही ना.
ये. But only.
ये लोग ने extra points दी. ये लोग ने extra points दिया है. Got it? I'm reading. The duration of his monsoon between 100 to 120 days. How many months there? 4 months, है ना? 4 3s are 12. 30 days approximately पकड़ेगा तो. And starting early, underline June to mid of September. Second point made here. Around the time of its arrival, normal rainfall, underline, increases suddenly. Underline that word, increases suddenly and constantly. This is known as ये मैंने बोलना भूल गया, burst of monsoon. This monsoon, I think, already arrived at, but you see, this burst of monsoon is there both at the arrival and both at the departure. Could anyone guess what is the word burst is here?
Burst.
Now guess. It is so simple to tell you, incomingly, arrival as well as departure. You might have seen some effect in the monsoon, which we in normal language call thundering effect. So let us put lightning also. Correct? And this time arrival तो आपने observe नहीं किया रहेगा. Please observe the departure. The day when you see very heavy thundering lightning, आप बोल सकते हैं अभी monsoon खत्म. Officially खत्म कर रहा है. Similarly, when it arrives also, ये thundering lightning से पहले भी rain हुआ रहेगा. They are called as not regular monsoon. Which monsoon they are? Pre-monsoon. The day when it starts with this phenomena, that is the bust of monsoon. Please put this in your notebook, everyone. हाँ, ऐसे phenomena जैसे मैंने draw किया वैसे ही draw करो. You will never forget. What is bust of monsoon? They'll ask you. अभी uncertainty है, vagaries है, variances है. Shall we? Never forget these technical words, huh? Bust of monsoons. It is too early to ask you. Are you guys well mentally and physically prepared for your 10th standard board exams?
Mentally, yes. Physically, I don't know.
Why, man?
Physically, yes.
Why mentally no? देखो why ना?
Physically, yes.
Why? What is that?
But the 80 marks का paper, we are still not given. So
Ah,
we don't know
very,
how it will come.
very good answer. But wait for this year, huh? Because this year board exam might pump up some good new changes for you guys to come in. वो तो up to you. Feb में एक होगा, फिर अगर जो Feb का exam से जो कुछ नहीं वो May में. And I feel 90% of the students will not go for May unless and until you have given some 2-3 papers very bad, and they will take the result which result अभी तक CBSE में बोला नहीं admission के लिए. तो नॉर्मल एक फेब में होता है और दूसरा होगा एक मई में इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जाम. यू नो व्हाट इज इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जाम ना? क्लास इम्प्रूवमेंट. हाँ, वो तो अभी रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर होने के बाद होगा या रिजल्ट के पहले होगा, सब कंफ्यूजन ही है. तो यू गाइस वेट एंड वॉच. इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग. दिस ईयर से वो इम्प्लीमेंटेड है एनईपी कि फेब में एक होगा, फिर एक एग्जाम इम्प्रूवमेंट
होने वाला है. सर हर स्कूल में होने वाला है.
आप लोग नहीं दे रहे. So you wait and watch what kind of
phenomenon. अच्छा है उसको मार्च मई में नहीं देना पड़ेगा ना.
देख अच्छा बुरा अभी रिजल्ट आने के बाद ही तो तुझे मालूम पड़ेगा.
अप्रैल में देखो रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा.
And then May, if you want go for class improvement, then by the time the admission होता रहेगा उधर, फिर ये रिजल्ट आएगा. फिर कौन सा अभी नॉर्मली आप लोग एक दो सब्जेक्ट का क्लास इंप्रूवमेंट देते हैं ना, as per CBSE rule, they have to take the admission XYZ in school. And जब वो क्लास इंप्रूवमेंट का इंप्रूव हुआ तो वो ऐड होगा, नहीं हुआ तो वो कैसे होगा, वो उसने अभी तक CBSE में क्लियर नहीं किया. तो अभी आपका जो भी फ्रेंड्स है, रिलेटिव्स है जो 10th में, यू जस्ट चेक कि उनका ये साल क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहा है. सिमिलर एक्सपेरिमेंट, नॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट, एटलीस्ट यू विल कम टू नो कि नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या है. हिस्ट्री में कुछ टॉपिक्स चेंजेस हो रहा है या फिर सिलेबस चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. एवरीथिंग विल अनाउंस इन द मंथ ऑफ जून, कमिंग जून. So at least you guys will not be affected. The present 10th CBSE will be having some expulsions. You know what is the expulsion? Some busting of क्या कैसा हो रहा है.
Confusion.
But आप लोग wait करो. Next year आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा ये system कैसे implement होगा. Many parents might not like that also. They might file a PIL. ये क्या चल रहा है वो तो चल रहा था सर, है ना? फिर CBSE next year देखेगा कि ये रखना है या नहीं रखना. It is a help to few students, but other students might not like it. Understood? It's all in the hands of the government, but it is all in the hands of the CBSE board, New Delhi. So, the monsoon arrives at, underline, southern tip of India. First week of June. Did you see? I'm skipping one point and running away with that. Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai. Underline that. 10th June. Bay of Bengal advance rapidly and arrives in underline Assam. Then go down. Arabian Sea and Bob branches of the monsoon, just underline karo, merge over northwestern part of Ganga plains. इधर इधर ये देखो. Zoom your lenses.
सर क्या बोला?
वो merge है ना, merge वो underline करो. अरे है ना my dear. Monsoon merge over the northwestern parts. एक चश्मा है एक बिना चश्मा है, दोनों ढूंढ रहे हैं. दिल्ली generally underline. Monsoon showers from Bob. दिल्ली को Arabian monsoon से नहीं मिलता है. Go down. Withdrawal or retreat is more gradual. What is about gradual?
Slow. I mean slowly.
मतलब then this is gradual. ये rapid है. इसका मूवमेंट जल्दी होता है. मई से जून के अंदर स्टार्ट हो जाता है. And हाँ जी
Even Mumbai also.
हाँ मुंबई को भी अरेबियन सी से ही मिलता है बॉब से तो मिलने का चांसेस ही नहीं वी आर ऑपोजिट साइड ना
Yes.
and island received the very first monsoon showers from south to north from first week of April to the first week of May.
Sir,
Hmm.
then why there is a drought kind of situation about
Donald.
drought?
Because they do not fall on the path of this monsoon. Second, हमारा जो सह्याद्री आता है ना माउंटेन वो उसके बाजू में पड़ता है रेन शैडो रीजन में पड़ता है जो आपका वो है जो मराठवाड़ा हाँ वो पूरा उसका रेन शैडो मतलब किस वन में एक विंडवर्ड साइड ऑफ द माउंटेन एंड एक लीवर्ड तो ये मराठवाड़ा लीवर्ड साइड का सह्याद्री में पड़ता है
So sir, no walk के मतलब
देख लीवर्ड विंडवर्ड समझता है ना द साइड वेयर द क्लाउड्स कमिंग एंड स्ट्राइकिंग इज विंडवर्ड बट हमारा मराठवाड़ा इस तरह पड़ता है सो जिस साइड पे वो मानसून गिरता है उस साइड पे मराठवाड़ा नहीं है समझा although they are in Maharashtra although they are on the path और ये सह्याद्री उन एरिया से पैरेलल ही जाता है तो जब तक सह्याद्री उसको ब्लॉक नहीं करेगा क्लाउड्स को रेनफॉल कैसा रहेगा अभी ये सह्याद्री है और ये है और these winds are going parallel they are going parallel it will not strike them you go to Mahabaleshwar also and then from Mahabaleshwar top there is a small town nearby not nearby down Panchgani Mahabaleshwar receives 300 centimeters of rainfall Panchgani receives only 60 not even 60 30 दूर
So part
ऑफ साइड पे पड़ता है रेन शैडो रीजन पे समझ में आया चलो
सर पंचेरी बहुत
क्या
फर्स्ट
हाँ होता है वो पूरा वो वीआईपी और पॉलिटिशियंस की बच्चे हैं आई एम गॉन द आइलैंड्स रिसीव्ड द वेरी फर्स्ट शॉवर्स एंड वो तो हो गया नाउ आई एम एक्चुअली मूविंग इनटू सीजंस फर्स्ट पुट नंबर 1 कोल्ड वेदर सीजन ये ब्रैकेट में डालो दिसंबर टू फेब ब्रैकेट में डालो put 2 hot weather season put March to May inside the bracket 3 advancing if you are so smart enough take the pencil from her you write because she is on the opposite side she can't and the last one is retreating monsoon 4 dalna and look at that monsoon open bracket September October and November this is the season you guys were telling me earlier जो sir autumn season autumn and to be very frank India doesn't receive any autumn
yes
you know what is autumn by the way spring भी नहीं मिलता है
oh
neither sun nor too much of wind वो एक in between India में सिर्फ एक महीने का season रहता है October to November but you go to Europe you will get a proper autumn you know what is autumn flowers bloom Cinderella will come out जो भी है Cinderella and they will collect the flowers and William Shakespeare will write the poems
Yes.
and some sketches will draw the painting वैसा कुछ नहीं है ना चुपचाप घर बैठो and October to November is called as October heat sudden heat change होता है you sit here he opens the mouth you open the mouth after some time she he everyone is looking at me doing this how will I feel no she's behaving as if she didn't you didn't do
What?
I did
Yeah.
Hmm.
I did.
She doesn't know that also. She yawned and pawned. Chalo, I'm going the first season, cold season. I mean, if you want to explain cold season in a very simple way, I say Indian climate is cool and dry. You accept what? Cold?
No.
नो
Cool and?
सर
Why it is dry then?
डिपेंड कर
Why it is dry? किसी ने बोला सर उधर पानी नहीं मिलता
राजस्थान
because your skin becomes very dry lack of moisture तुरंत किसी बच्चे ने बोला सर पॉन्ड्स का कोल्ड क्रीम बहुत बिकता है सर and it is correct also cold cream बहुत बिकता है because that is the time your skin if you even draw like this na that scale you might see this season is there in Europe around 9 months
इसका भी
तो ये जो winter है I can explain through this again map of India just understand there is a gradual decrease in temperature from south to north the extreme temperatures are here low temperature whereas when they are wearing sweaters jumpers and whatever you wear in south you might see especially in Tamil Nadu they might be going in lungis why am I talking about lungi तभी तो उधर गर्म ही रहता है ना so there is not sudden fall of temperature gradual decline होता है and it starts in the month of December and goes up till the month of February So this is our winter. So our winter is categorized by what? It is cool and it is dry. Is it sudden drop of temperature? No. Gradual drop in temperature from where to where? From south to north. We have places like Dras. We have places like Kargil, where temperature is minus 40. Average, it goes up to minus 60. But at the same time, we have temperature somewhat in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu where that same time temperature is 32, 33. Understood? That entire North India, Northeastern India is suffering from this cold waves, but these guys are enjoying the hot waves only. Because there is no big decline. Not enjoying, matlab temperature ही ऐसे रहता है. So we have extreme fall in temperature both in south and north. Clear? Only certain part, not all part. There is no big decline. Shall I am reading? Be clear with your pencils, and everyone has to write the answer from here on. Okay, it's beautifully given. Underline point number 1 now. The coldest weather persists in, underline, December to Feb. You give the pencil to her.
So it's the points or is the cold weather season started? I'm telling that.
Second point, coldest month is Jan. And उधर ही bracket में डाल दो -45 to +25. And उधर से तो लिखो, it is Dras and Kargil, -45 Dras and Kargil. D for dog. Not Dras. ये दोनों है ना? You are with me, Maggie?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. It's see. The average temperature, open bracket, 10 to 15 degree in northern plains. बस उतना ही चलेगा. Come down to next. The cold dry winds blows from, underline, high pressure to low pressure region. Do you accept this high pressure? Cold रहेगा तो high pressure रहेगा कि low pressure रहेगा? High, because temperature high रहेगा तो low pressure, temperature low रहेगा तो high pressure. These winds, underline, northwesterly, बस उतना ही. And bracket में डालो Ganga plains, underline northeasterly, underline Bay of Bengal, Bengal. Next, first the northwest, directly come down. Now, if you go to Calcutta during these time, there is a wind or some Kal Baishakhi बोलते हैं. It's a Bengali word only. Means sudden rainfall it might bring in, and it is not a regular phenomenon. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come. But we have this Kal Baishakhi. Okay, look at that word. Why? Hot weather. Then, and which is the popular winter crop in India? Wheat. But in other parts of India, open bracket, the weather is pleasant with clear skies and bright sunshine. I think is 6th point. मतलब only north and northwest में ये phenomena, but पूरा इंडिया में तो bright sunshine है. तो पूरा इंडिया मतलब where are we referring? southern part. उधर उनको लगेगा नहीं. केरला जाओ, कर्नाटक जाओ, especially that Mysuru region. And you know this, there is a Ooty hill station. It is Bangalore is becoming. Actually, Ooty belongs to Tamil Nadu. But it is closer to Bangalore. तो साउथ कभी गए? क्यों उल्टा उल्टा? चुप रहना. कुर्ग नहीं रहता कर्नाटक में. Kurg is on the borders of Mangaluru and Bengaluru, and Kurg is a place where all over the year it is 23 is the temperature. Book Scotland. And you should visit. I think one of that Copernicus children told me they have been taken by one of the teachers. If you go there, you will see how beautiful. Mainly, Kurg is known for its coffee plantation, berries, coffee berries. खुद ही जाओ 15,000.
और सर उसमें भी फ्लाइट की टिकट का अलग पैसे.
40 plus flight.
Yes.
नहीं
40 में include है flight. सर फ्लाइट का 15,000 है.
करके इसके साथ जाओ, मम्मी पापा के साथ तो भी 30,000 कब दे दें?
लास्ट
तो अभी रेट्स बढ़ गए क्योंकि एवरी टाइम. So you understood. Let us go to the second season. Now everyone run through the first season. How many points are there? Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But everyone got it?
Yes.
No, you are doing market. 7 points मिला है? अभी तुम ना, let us go to the second. अभी next to winter we are going extreme. तो ये season अगर मैं बताऊँ ना, this is the time you get your summer vacation. The word itself is saying vacation, and it is summer also. Why it is called a summer vacation? Because this is the time India gets slanting, no direct rays of the sun. And why it is direct? Because हमारा जो India का position और sun का जो position है ना, they are getting maximum straight rays or perpendicular rays. And अगर ये season late होता है, the next season which will be studying, the monsoon will also be delayed. But इसका उतना influence नहीं जितना influence monsoon का है. That is why am I calling Indian climate as summer monsoon? I am calling as monsoonal climate of India. समझ में आ रहा है? I am marking hot weather. Point number 1. Everyone has to go with me. Point के साथ. This is a period of rapid shift of belt. Open bracket the word. This is a period of rapid shift of belt of heat from south to north. देखो विंटर आके ग्रेजुअली शिफ्ट होता है, जबकि समर आके रैपिडली शिफ्ट होता है. आप दिल्ली जाएगा, यूपी जाएगा, मध्य प्रदेश जाएगा, ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल एंड मे देयर इज अ विंड कॉल्ड एज लू. Hot wind, dry dusty wind, and you will experience it.
Sometimes it comes in Navi Mumbai also. सर कभी कभार आया है.
नहीं.
अच्छा एक
Hot winds.
अच्छा एक, but it is loo is not in Navi Mumbai.
सर लू लास्ट ईयर हुई थी.
Hot
हॉट
winds.
विंड्स, हॉट विंड्स.
ये आप लोग का कौन सा व्हाट्सएप कनेक्शन है? आपको क्या आता है मुझे?
सर वो वाला ग्रुप में ना सर.
तू चुप रह. ये जो हॉट विंड्स है ना, नवी मुंबई में आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया ना, दैट इज नथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ लू दैट यू सी इट इन दे. आई डोंट नो व्हेन डिड यू फील, बट अगर आप वही टाइम पर अगर आप दिल्ली में होगा ना, आप बोलेगा ये विंड की क्या गर्म भट्टी का हवा है. हाँ, उससे भी ज्यादा गर्म रहता है एक्चुअली, है ना. पीपल कैन नॉट, दिस नोज का जो अंदर का है ना फट जाता है, दिस ब्लीडिंग आल्सो स्टार्ट्स. हां, दैट इज लू. अभी कभी नवी मुंबई में आपको ऐसा हुआ है क्या? हाँ सर, किसी दोस्त ने पंच मार दिया तो वो अलग सीजन है. बट इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड. ओके, चल सेकंड पॉइंट. एवरीवन कम बैक. In May, did you see? Open bracket. The rising temperature leads to low pressure. Close the bracket. Third point. Because of low pressure, moisture-laden winds. It is not laden. It is moisture-laden wind. Arabian Sea to Arabian Sea. Was lying close to. Next, Kerala and Western Ghats. Underline. Experience pre-monsoon showers. Assam and Bengal also. No need. Then come down. Ha. Northwest remains dry and hot winds called loo. है ना? हाँ, close the bracket. Sometimes वो भी नहीं चाहिए. There is a also season localized thunderstorms. I know that word localized. Why localized? अभी बोल रहा हूँ नेरुल ये वेस्ट है ना, ईस्ट में वो क्लाइमेट नहीं है, ओनली इधर ही है. बोलेगा क्यों है? ये लोकलाइज्ड विंड है. तो अभी ये कौन सा काल बैशाखी का ओरिजिन है? ये नॉर्मली वेस्ट बंगाल में होता है, कभी कभी उड़ीसा में भी होता है, बट नॉर्मली इट इज काल बैशाखी इन वेस्ट बंगाल. यू माइट सी देयर accompanied by hail and underline in West Bengal and known as वो सब छोड़ दो, काल बैसाखी. Actually हिंदी वर्ड बैसाखी means that व्हील चेयर या वो क्लब लग के जो लंगड़ा चलता है, that is बैसाखी. वो बंदा बैसाखी पे है, बट बंगाली में कुछ अलग मीनिंग है. And काल मतलब वो रुद्र काल. You know what is रुद्र काल? महाकाल. किसको बोलता है? बोल यार महाकाल. लड़कियों को बोला. And कहाँ का महाकाल है? रुद्र रूप में. उज्जैन. Where is उज्जैन? Madhya Pradesh. And you know that the dangerous aarti that nobody should see. सुबह का कितना बजे होता है? 4. And you know what is basma means? The dead body remains of human being only. तो ये काल वहां से उन्होंने नाम लिया. जब ये काल बैसाखी आता है, it is very deadly for people in Bengal. But few days के लिए रहता है, maybe 4 days, 5 days, or not even those many.
आज इसी मोमेंट्स में दे सकते हैं, बाकी
बच्चे लोग को भी अलाउ नहीं करता. Let us go to the next. Towards the close of summer, open bracket. Pre-monsoon are commonly in Kerala and Karnataka. Close the bracket. उधर एक ripening of mangoes दिया है. Only word को underline करो. And then नीचे लिखो mango showers. अभी read. How many points? She's counting. अरे number डालो ना यार. 6 points. Did everyone get 6 points?
Yes.
Sure. I didn't see you marking at all. Okay. Let's go to the next season. It is advancing. Season number 3, which I have already explained on the board. So I'm quickly moving in, but I'll be stopping and reading. This season runs from open bracket June to September. During these months, open bracket, a second pointer, southwest monsoon blows northwards into 2 branches. Southwest, but blows northward. Just look at the map which I drawn in the board. It is entering from south of India, but it is going towards the east, east generally. But due to a force which you might have studied in your geography called Coriolis. What is Coriolis? Very good. I know that many things you don't know. What is Coriolis? Oh, my dear, Lulu. Nobody? I am not. Earth is rotating from west to east. Okay. Due to this rotation, there are the movements of the winds gets diverted. For example, आपको कैसे explain? Where is the duster? Duster is don't yawn. Lazy batsman. This object is rotating and this wind is coming. Okay. If it is not rotating, when the wind is coming, it will strike and it will move in this direction. Are you seeing? Slowly I am showing you. But since it is rotating, the same wind I am passing through. Instead of going here, it will take the U-turn and turn this direction. ये जो wind है ना, instead of going here, it is going towards west because the globe is moving. So not only this wind, there are many winds which are affected by this word Coriolis. Coriolis means the slow movement of the earth from west to east. The wind is striking. It should go this side. It will take a U-turn and come here. That is the word Coriolis. वो east का side जाने वाला इंडिया में west के side से enter करता है. समझ में आया? That is Coriolis effect. ये सब आपको जू में नहीं. What is that? Nehru Science Center in that area.
Sir, I've gone there.
You must visit. Then there is a lot of things. You will get a lot of knowledge also. Videos है, amphitheater है. And बच्चों के लिए बहुत कम पैसे में अंदर लेते हैं. And you will get a lot of videos and many things. Nehru Center. Okay. In planetarium. I remember my first visit. I was in my 8th standard, and it was birthday of this Nehru only. तो हम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के बच्चे थे स्कूल के. तो we got lot of eatables. तो हर साल हम लोग बोलते थे मैडम नेहरू प्लानेटोरियम पहले तो हमको ये दिया आई थिंक डोनट्स वगैरह दिया फिर कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स दिया फिर अभी भी मुझे याद है फिर उसके बाद ऑरेंजेस दिया फिर बहुत कुछ खाने के लिए दिया. हमको इतना लगा कि वो सेंटर पे लेके जाएगा ना खाने के लिए बहुत मिलता है. तो हमारे टीचर्स लोग ने बोला सिंस इट वाज दैट चिल्ड्रन डे दैट नेहरू सेंटर गिव्स लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आप हमेशा चिल्ड्रन डे पे जाना होता है तो टिकट्स भी बहुत सस्ता रहता है. पता नहीं है but it is very good center for understanding all this. Chaliye, let us move. It brings rainfall to whole northern India. Underline rainfall to northern India. Blows from. खत्म हुआ ना मैं. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal दो branch है ना वो तो लिखा मैंने. Rainfall to whole northern India. Winds blow from oceanic high pressure to the low pressure. उतना ही करो. Come down, exceed 300 centimeter. Shall I?
Yes.
But this rainfall decreases, go further. Only underline or decreases. So decreases के साथ. Where is this Kutch area?
Gujarat.
And what do we call them? Run of Kutch. Run. पूरा
White
wild
sand.
sand. जितना दूर तक आप देखो जंगली है. जंगल क्या झाड़ भी नहीं. Run both.
It's a barren land, but it's white
Barren
sand.
land. Let's proceed to Kutch. Jesus. As such, when Kolkata gets rainfall, अच्छा वो नहीं पढ़ा. The Bay of Bengal branches open bracket. ये पहला branch बता रहा है. Hills of Meghalaya. Circle this word. Do not write Chirapunji. It is Mausim Dram. And every children ask me why to or how to remember. I tell them very simple. Look here. How not to Mausi or Ram. Mountain Range. And this is in Meghalaya. Even Cherrapunji is in Meghalaya. If I show you Meghalaya, अगर ऐसा वो तीन जगह पर लोग ना डॉट दिया रहेगा. It is Khasi, Garo, and Jainta. Come on, repeat. These are those hills which are responsible for monsoon ram to get the highest rainfall in the world. And if I say this much is the average rainfall, 1100. ये पिछले 2 दिन से जो बारिश हुआ ना 9 सेंटीमीटर्स, 10 सेंटीमीटर्स, 12 सेंटीमीटर्स. सोच लो अगर 1100 सेंटीमीटर अगर मुंबई में गिरा तो क्या होगा? Flood नहीं. We will go inside the Arabian Sea. Understood? Kind of flood. But ये वो hilly region है और ये 3 hills responsible है वो rainfall के लिए. शायद रहेगा उधर. Receives underline 1080. ऐसा याद रखना. मैंने 1100 लिखा है. As the monsoon winds takes a turn from east to west, Himalayas, underline rain goes on decreasing. अभी rain का season खत्म हो रहा है. Slowly अभी retreating आ जाएगा. Kolkata gets 119, Allahabad gets 76, and Delhi gets 56. ये सब क्या है? Rainfall. मैंने centimeters नहीं पढ़ा. Last line. Rajasthan and other parts get scanty. Other parts में लिखो western part of Rajasthan. I'm waiting here. Monsoon is completed. Please read. Read it silently, everyone. This is very important season. More than 2 questions surely expected from monsoon. Advancing. Going to ससुराल. ये सब भाई सबको भाई ससुराल उसका बिल्डिंग का नाम है.
सर मैंने क्या किया है?
तो रस क्यों रहा है?
सर वो भी रसी भी सब.
मेरा बिल्डिंग का नाम तो माहिरी है. मैं हमेशा माहिरी में रहता.
In school, Wednesday from Wednesday it's holiday.
अब 5 days ना.
हिंदी में वेडनेसडे को छुट्टी नहीं है.
नहीं मिलता है.
को नहीं पता.
नहीं
Wednesday को क्लास नहीं I think हाँ Wednesday को
हम नहीं मिलता है और हम नहीं देता है.
Thursday को रक्षाबंधन के लिए दिए थे.
हाँ बट देखते हैं अभी तक तो कोई सर्कुलर आया नहीं. Let's proceed. I'm going to read. अभी देखिए advancing था. Now I'll draw you retreating. It is very big change of monsoon in India. Look here. Okay. Now these winds are like this. बोलेगा ये क्या है नॉर्मल की तरह से है ना. Now this is the month of December. Correct. Temperature is low. What will be atmospheric pressure?
High.
So wind starts moving from land to. These are the winds which brought monsoons to India. Now ये wind return हो रहा है, retreat कर रहा है. Will they have lot of moisture now? No, they will have less of moisture. ये एग्जाम आया. Why less of moisture? Because these are winds blowing from where to where? They are blowing from land to sea. And जो monsoon उनके पास था वो already उसने ये south west में दे दिया है. अभी only बचा कुछ देगा. So now it is going out of India from north and moving out of India from east. So this is the northeast monsoon. And only 2 parts of India receives rainfall. This coastal part of Andhra and coastal part of Tamil Nadu. I'm not drawing the entire Andhra and Tamil Nadu only. So this is AP, Telangana. This is TL, Tamil Nadu. When entire India is experiencing winter, only these 2 regions gets rainfall. And rainfall from which monsoon? Did I write? Northeast monsoon. Only for 2 weeks. Clear? And these winds are dry. Why they are dry? Come on, everyone. Blows from land to sea. That is the reason they are less moisture. Carefully reading, carefully marking. This season runs from underline June to October to November. October to November. Second point. Monsoon starts retreating. What is the other word for retreating? Returning. Returning is a nice word. The lower temperature, day temperatures are high, nights are cool and pleasant. Who will tell me the meaning of the word cool and pleasant?
It's
बच्चा ने बोला अच्छा नींद आया ना बस हो जाए.
so it's a normal weather. It's like Normal
Good try,
weather.
good try. Very good. Cool का मतलब temperatures are less. Pleasant मतलब you will not get that dry
ज्यादा
dusty
गर्मी
weather.
नहीं है.
Moisture pleasant weather है बोलते हैं.
Nice
Third
weather.
point.
तो राजस्थान में होता है।
ठीक है तो जरा तो बता मुझे.
तो पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं मैं नहीं गया. The land is still moist owing to the conditions open bracket. High temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather underline this oppressive. AC is on, for example, fan is on, but everything is closed very tightly. बच्चा बोलते सर मुझे बहुत oppressive feel कर रहा है सर. तो सर ने मुझे क्या करने का? पहले आप बाहर निकलो सर. हैं? आपके वजह से oppressive feel हो रहा है. You are suffocating, you are dripping, and you are tense. ये ऐसा ही time होता है जब कौन सा season आता है? October to November. This is oppressive, and this heat is known as which heat? October heat. Okay. This is commonly underlined, known as October heat. Mercury begins also of nature, fall rapidly over nature, depression originate over the come down to the last line. The distribution and the range of rainfall is not certain. Underline not certain. Even during this season. मतलब हर जगह एक जैसा नहीं है. Coastal parts में आंध्रा और तमिलनाडु में rain रहता है और निकल जाता है. Over northwestern India gets transferred to Bob. This shift is associated with open bracket the occurrence of cyclonic depression. Underline the word cyclonic depression.
So what does that mean?
Depression मतलब जो ocean में है ना वो low pressure develop करेगा और कुछ नहीं. These cyclones generally cross eastern coast of India and heavy and widespread rain. Underline eastern coast and heavy widespread rain. Thickly populated areas of deltas Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri frequently struck. बस उतना ही. Last, these cyclones arrive at the coast of underline Odisha, West Bengal, and Bangladesh. Close. So now, what is your assignment? As I put the heading as Seasons of India, all paragraphs and all lines, and I will check this by coming Monday.
So what do we have to write?
All the 4 seasons,
All the points.
all the points, whatever I marked. But words to points में कौन करेगा? मैं अभी करेगा ना.